Hello everyone and welcome back. Last video ended with this. Stop! And in this video we finished the work. A long work, a very long work, and we arrived to this. Stay tuned during the video, some interesting tips for you. Comment, like and subscribe, thank you. And this is the LED wiring. These are the white lamps, front, this is, yes, the middle, we can say, side of the driver, and these are on the roof. They are 3, 1 and 2. I have to connect all 2 by 2. And now I am making the red one that is exactly here. This is the third of the 3 over here. The problem is that I have to leave the wire very long, then mount, then enshort them and make everything. Okay, now I check how the LED stays into the lamp. Then I have to cut this, mount, and so on. I'll keep you updated. This light wiring and positioning is quite difficult. By now I made these 4. These are connected with a wire up to here along the frame, and this I have to do, and I have to find the best way to position the wires, because I don't want to see a mess. So by now they are here, black, red and black, and now, and this one here under, which is red and black. They have to come here to connect to this. But on the red wires I have to put the resistors. And now we have made 1 and 2. And this I will keep on the frame with the straps for the meshes I have to mount here on the windows. And what else? It's a mess. It's a mess, really. It's enjoying, but very complicated. There are no instructions and you have to invent everything. This is nice to invent, but you have to invent well. And now I'm seeing that perhaps this wire is better that runs here over. Whew. My friends, you have to do all these little passages in order to hide the wire as best you can. Perhaps here another turn. What a work! And we have just 4. We have to mount 3 and another 1. Okay, and this is one. Now this wire has to go here and connect to this LED here. Where is it? This one. Hope. This wire turn down and go to the we call to the central connecting place. the central connecting. They go all together. So I have to put this wire here, then no, I need the big one. Oh, what's the matter here? They say MC3 here. MC3. They say MC3 is this. What is it? MC3, but it's too long. It opens the lamp. It's too long. Shit. I use this. I don't follow the instruction. I do as I can do, and sometimes I do better. The wire here inside very well. And this is okay. Nice. Now I have to think about these wires. Okay, one and the wire, perfect. Now the second, and we will have a problem with wires. Why? Oh no, I haven't. One. Where is the screw? Two. It's very complicated, this. It's very, very complicated. You have to invent everything. These holes I invented because where do you put the wires? Then these screws, you have to be very... They don't stop. They continue to turn until they have... This is not very good. This is not very good. Now, okay, also these screws, in this plastic, all the screws don't stop. And we have two with this portion of wire that is a little bit too much. I have to hide here down. Later we see. Now we have to do the third one that has a wire that goes down to there. So I have to study this. And now it's time to a little test before finishing the work. So the radio is on. And now switch. Fantastic. And the switch is fantastic. Perfect. Perfect. Now I finish. Then we can mount the body. Perhaps you want me to explain a little bit how do I manage to do this very cheap light system. The LED groups are connected 2 by 2 passing from one to the other one. So we have one positive cable and one negative cable that goes to the power source from the battery. But we have to put one resistor between the power source and the first positive. So I have 8 lights and 4 resistors. Here you see just 3, 4. And what else? It's very important to respect positive and negative, positive and negative. Otherwise, if you make a mistake, it doesn't work. It doesn't break, but it doesn't work. That's all. I don't know if you know this trick, but when you have to take away the plastic from an electric very small cable, you do this and this. Rapidly, eh? The electric wiring is almost completed. Everything is connected. Now I have to finish here, these wires, take together. Nice. Here there are the resistors. Done! All the wiring is done. Everything is perfect. You see? I think that I've made quite a good work. I've mounted the meshes. Now the body. And for the body I make the magic. Wow! Wow! Et le voilà! At the end, the car is finished. It's fantastic, it's marvelous, it's super. And what is this? I mounted this waiting to put a wheel, a front wheel. I would like this one. I have to find the spare parts. Well, everything works, and it's been a very nice journey. A very long and very nice journey. But there's one thing I have to show you, and you have been so patient waiting for this. What is? This. Turn off the lights, turn off the lights, and here we have the red one. This is my first buggy with lights, and we have a lot of lights, flashing lights. It's wonderful. I can't wait to see outside on the track if it's possible to drive fast with all these lights. I have positioned all the lights in different ways. These are down, these are up, the central one is straight, the side one, the open side. So I have a good vision. Wonderful. The switch, I already told you, is fantastic. And what else, my friend? We have to do a test on the track, but winter is approaching. I don't know if I can do a test in the next weeks. We will see. Bye now. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. In the comment you may ask me something. If you are doubts, if you want to know something, to have some answers that I can give you, I am very happy to do this. And by now, wow, it's so much. Wow. Thanks for watching. Ciao amici. Bye friends. Up to the next. I have in mind something nice.